All right, so we're starting a new week. We're just gonna surprise Marty, our UPS driver, and act like we're criticizing his every action. We're just gonna all stare at him.
I can't.
He's just wondering.
What you doing, man? You're on the vlog, bro. We all love you, Marty. You're the first face of the vlog this week. You got any words of wisdom?
Can't think of anything right now.
I just realized, y'all, that Marty, he told me this 2 weeks ago, that he's a professional softball player.
Oh, I'm not.
He's got a softball YouTube channel. He's like won the World Series a couple times. Is there a World Series for softball?
There is.
Is it called the World Series?
I have not won, though.
But he looks like he could
I
win.
do enjoy playing.
He does. I'm gonna come watch him sometime.
Hey, hopefully, Bryson, I hope we'll play against each other.
All right, good morning, everybody. Got the coffee going. I just kind of wanted to show you guys. You guys have kept me with a job, not only from the bricks, but also I stayed here until about 8:15 last night, making sure that I got this pile of shirts to do. I got all the fronts done. This is a very successful brick by brick. We wouldn't be here without you guys. And so I just wanted to say thank you personally, because printing these shirts every year is always something that I look forward to. And to see how many shirts that I had to print, I think we had to we were on back order for like 70, 80 shirts. And that's phenomenal, because even prior to that, I had printed about 40 or 50. So over 100 of you guys ordered enough bricks to get a shirt printed by me, made by Robert. So that's really cool. So just wanted to say thank you, and thanks for the support. And I hope you guys continue keeping us in business.
So it is the week after our annual brick by brick sale. We went through a lot of inventory, sold a ton of keto bricks, and the guys are going through and doing a full-blown keto brick hard count inventory. So let me show you what that looks like. We got all the flavors out here rolled out. That's an empty one. But we got the guys hard counting. I'm gonna talk quietly because I don't want to distract them. But they're literally counting every single keto brick by hand, one by one. So shout out to these guys because they're doing a heck of a job.
What is going on, y'all? I have not gotten much footage this week. We've been just busy with the brick by brick, counting brick inventory, printing shirts, all that jazz. We had a whole bunch of deliveries coming today. What all we get today, Greg? We got cacao butter, we got protein powder, we got shirt blanks,
Carnivore snacks.
Yeah, we got some carnivore snacks in too. Ate some of those. We've got over here the Goomers. The Goomers. Hey, Ralph is not fully known at his church. He's gonna be preaching at our church this Sunday, which I'm excited about. He's gonna be pastoring. But at his church he's been going to, people that don't know his name, they have made a nickname for him. And it's not Rufus the Goofus. It is the Forearms. Forearms. You know, when the congregation calls you Mr. Forearms, you're doing something right.
You're doing something right.
Just got a workout in, or Crystal just got a workout in. I wrangled this booger and bop. How was your workout?
Great.
Whoa, there we go. Great. Here, get some footage.
Do you see me trying to get my hair up real quick?
Yeah. I want to show the people something.
It's okay. Don't you cry. Show you could walk. Here, what are you doing? What are you doing? Here.
Crazy baby. Yeah, that was really cool, Robert. Really cool.
He's on the verge of walking. We're trying to capture it on film. He can walk with holding one finger, pretty much.
Yep.
You want to try and walk one more time?
We just walked in the hallway, one finger.
You want to try and walk real quick?
You want
Let's
to show
see what
him?
we got going?
Show him how you can do
All right.
it.
Show what you got, buddy. Maybe it's not gonna happen right now.
He doesn't want to be on the ground.
Not gonna happen right now. I'm in the gym, killing it, freaking savage on these deltoids. Greg is cardio bunny queening it over here because he's got a sty in his eye. He's the Mr. Nice Guy. He watches Bill and Nye the Science Guy, and he loves to eat French fries. All right, y'all, just get done knocking out a delt and tricep workout. This is Thursday. Tuesday of this week, so 2 days ago, I went and got like a deep tissue body work, full 9 yards, like cupping, scraping, the grafting, like deep, like 90 minutes of just pure torture, pain, misery. Not pleasant at all. But I got that 50-mile march for veterans next weekend, so I want to kind of get some body work done prior to that. With the cupping, there's like certain areas that, you know, pool up with blood. It basically brings the blood to the surface. How long it stays red, how deep red or purple it becomes, and the length of time it takes to dissipate is kind of an indicator of your ability to recover efficiently and effectively. So again, I'm 2 days post cupping and deep work. I've got a few spots like on my quad. I've got a really red purple spot. So I've got a few spots on my back, specifically my lats, that are still pretty deep purple. But I'm gonna try and be proactive about this, get this done on a relatively monthly basis, and then see how much quicker I recover afterwards going forward. So this, I'm about to hit some poses just for my own sake, but I'll be able to see 2 days post body work what I look like now, and then in a month or whenever I do it next, how long it takes for me to dissipate that coloring afterwards. So there's that.
Supermodels in the cab. Proof. I guess I got my swagger back. Proof. New watch alert. New blows. Or the big face rollie, I got corridors. Arm out the window through the city. Y'all maneuver slow. Cut back, snap back. See my crack through the hole. Damn easy at home. Where the hell you been? Niggas talking real reckless. Stop, man. I adopted these niggas. Fill a plumbing in. Now I'm about to make them tuck their whole summer in. They say I'm crazy. Now I'm about to go dumb again. They ain't seen me cause I pulled up in my other bins. Last week I was in my other bins. So the diamonds up till we in this bitch again. Shoot fresh, looking like well from about.
So, as we've talked about on the Work Podcast, Greg is going to be moving to Michigan in October. Since realizing that he was going to be away from me for extended periods of time, he has gone into withdrawals. He has gone into a black hole of despair, and he has soothed that pain with an addiction. And his addiction is freaking pouches that he sticks in his lip and energy drinks. And look at his eye.
I got a sty.
Got a sty in his eye. It's getting worse, man.
It's not my favorite.
So I guess this is better than,
There's no nicotine in these. These are just, some of them have got nootropics, some of them have got caffeine, some are coffee pouches, some are not.
Which one's your favorite?
I don't know, I literally just got these in the mail today. It's just an assortment, so I haven't even tried them.
Nice. Yo, Greg and I, where's Greg? Greg and I are at Theater Squared, downtown Fayetteville. We just had a meeting with the whole staff here to get everything dialed in. It's like face tracking me. Get everything dialed in for the competition. We're 5.5 weeks out now, roughly. It's gonna be slick, yo. We got a better floor plan than last year, less chaos for the competitors. We have more time than I thought we had for the post-show barbecue, which is gonna be good. It's gonna be delicious. It's getting close. Plus, Greg is not gonna be competing this year, so he's gonna be helping me.
Backstage.
So we're gonna have like little radio space
We're gonna
cadet.
have little earpieces and mouthpieces.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. So come on down. Make sure if you're not competing, just come and attend. It's gonna be naturalstatesavages.com. here in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and September 19th.
You got it.
Be there, be square.
See, it's my dad's hat.
What's up, man?
Yo.
You just get a workout in?
Just got to work out in.
I think Hazen's stronger than you.
I don't know. You want to arm wrestle?
Arm wrestle.
Roll wrestle?
We are at Ozark Iron Gym. They're having a 10-year anniversary party today. So we're gonna go check it out, see what's cooking. Greg got here early and worked out.
Say what?
It's not here.
Oh, I haven't seen him.
So that's what we got rocking right now. Let's go see what's happening. Now, right, you gotta hold on to it, buddy. Hold on to it.
Hold on to it. If you're
Now-
ready to let it go,
Now
let us know.
pull it down to you, to your chest. Pull it down to your chest. All right. Nice job, buddy. I don't know if he signed the waiver. Good job, buddy.
Oh, there comes Hazen. Oh, he's a fast crawler. Oh, yes. He's got to keep up with the brother.
Keep going, keep going.
Do hard things, Rigel.
Keep going, there you go. Yo, Saturdays are for yard work days. I've been bush hogging, got the bush hog fixed. I broke the blade on it, got the blade replaced and fixed. I've been bush hogging the field. Crystal's been in here slaving in the kitchen. What do we got cooking in here?
Rigel asks, every weekend Rigel's been requesting a meal, and so this week he just wanted chicken and bacon. So.
Hey, Raji, what you got on there? A cape? You got a cape on? Who are you? Are you a Three Musketeer?
Yeah, I am.
You're a Musketeer? What are you doing, buddy? What? You want me to hold you? I got my dinner in the rotisserie chicken. Now put your hat on. It's on backwards. There you go.
And here's my.
There's your sword. What are you, buddy? What are you doing? All right, I'm gonna pick you up right now.
We are outside, out in the fields, in the lower fields, and Robert has been out here for about 3 hours now. He is bush hogging this field. We let it grow all, I don't know the last time we bush hogged it. It's been quite some time. But we let it grow all summer and such. And let's see if I can flip you guys around actually. There he is, stuck in a tree. He's just got that little bit left. He's gotten all the perimeter around the field done. Now he just got the center to do. And I'd say probably about another hour. So 4 hours total of pushing the bush hog around, and that's a pretty tough workout if you guys haven't ever done it. It's a pretty good little workout. So, all right, check in with you guys later.
All right, y'all. We are done bush hogging. The field is done. I'm about to take a shower because I am nasty, and then we're gonna grill some steaks. Hazen's gonna get a shower because he's feisty. Rigel's in the bath. And that's a wrap on the weekend, y'all. Much love. Woo! Ta-ta for now.